Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you how you can prepare ginger garlic paste easily at home. So for this, here I have taken 4 bulbs of garlic as you have seen here, and 150 grams of ginger that I have already washed and pat it dry. Now first we are going to take one of the garlic bulb, separate the cloves from the garlic bulb as I am showing you here while pressing it in between. After that, take one of the clove and start peeling the skin from the clove. You can use your hand or you can use knife as I am showing you here. There are other several methods out there you can use, however you feel comfortable is. And if you feel the peel of the garlic it's going here and there, just sprinkle some water and then you can start peeling the skin from the cloves. After peeling all the garlic cloves, this is how it looks like. Make sure there is no skin left into the peeled garlic, and this is approximately 1.5 cup of garlic. Here I have taken 150 grams of ginger as you have seen here. I have already washed and patted dry. Now to remove the skin, you can use the back of the spoon to remove the skin, or you can use the knife as I am doing here to peel the skin from the ginger. Make sure there is no skin left while you are scraping it, and after scraping make sure to wash it again. And after scraping, this is how it looks like. Once I will scrape all the ginger, then I will show you. And this is how I have cut it into smaller pieces, and this is the peel. Make sure not to throw this peel, just sun dry this and use it into the tea or in your curries. And if you want to know how I have dried and stored the ginger skin or the peel, then I will share the link in the description box. Check that out. And now take a grinding jar, add the garlic cloves into the jar. After adding the garlic, now cut the ginger into smaller pieces because the ginger is hard, so you have to cut it in smaller pieces, and now add it into the grinding jar. Similar way I am going to cut all the pieces and then I am going to add it. After adding, I am going to grind it while giving pulse. After that, you have seen it is slightly coarse in texture. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil. Make sure the oil you are using has no smell in it. Now add the oil and cover the lid and grind it into a smooth paste while giving pulse. After grinding, I will show you the texture, and this is the ginger garlic paste ready as you have seen here. Now I am going to use 2 methods. One, I am going to take the glass jar, and second, the ice tray. Make sure the glass jar and the ice tray is dry and neat when you are using to store this. Now I am going to remove small portion into the glass jar for daily use. Cover the lid and set this into the refrigerator and use it, and now pour the quantity according to your need into the cavities into the ice tray. After filling the cavities of ice tray, take a foil paper or cling wrap, cover it properly from all the 4 sides, and then set it into the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours so that it will set properly. After 2 hours, as you have seen here, it's perfectly done. Remove the foil paper and you have seen all the pieces are perfectly set. Now it is in the form of cubes. You can adjust the quantity accordingly how much you need for one time use, and then fill it accordingly. Now remove it into the separate plate, and this is how easy way the ginger garlic paste is ready to use. And this is the one I am using on daily basis. As you have seen here, the texture and the color is perfect same. And now take a Ziploc bag and store these ginger garlic paste cubes into that. You can use any plastic airtight container also if you don't have Ziploc bag, and now press it with your hand. Make sure there is no air left while you are closing the Ziploc bag. Do it as I am showing you here, and now this is ready to store in the freezer for up to 6 months. And this is the ginger that I have preserved, and I will show you one cube. It's almost 3 months I am using it. You can store in that type of container also, and if you want to know the recipe, I will share the link in the description box. And this is how the 2 ways you can store the ginger garlic paste. If you like this method of preserving the ginger garlic paste, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.